fellow chefs. I'm your host, Avrey Charles, and welcome back to In the Kitchen. Today, we have something super exciting and festive planned. Our very own, I'm the chef too, Run Reindeer hot cocoa bombs.
But before we get started, let's dive into the world of STEAM. That's science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. STEAM is all about combining different subjects to solve real-world problems and create cool things. So as we make our hot cocoa bombs, we'll explore the science of melting, the technology of mixing ingredients, the engineering behind our mold, the art of decorating, and the math of measuring ingredients. Let's jump right in. First, we have our Run Reindeer Hot Cocoa Bombs Kit. It includes everything we need: chocolate, cocoa mix, marshmallows, and even cute reindeer decorations. Now, let's break down the STEAM elements step by step. Our first step is all about science, the science of melting chocolate. The chocolate is turning into a smooth and glossy liquid. This happens because heat breaks down the cocoa butter crystals in the chocolate. We want to make sure everything is well combined for that perfect hot cocoa bomb taste. Now, let's talk about engineering. Our mold is like a mini masterpiece. We're going to carefully pour our chocolate mix into the mold, creating the perfect shell for our hot cocoa bomb. Precision is key here, just like in engineering, where every detail matters. We get to decorate our hot cocoa bombs with the adorable reindeer faces. This is where our creativity can shine. It's like turning our cocoa bombs into edible art. You can add eyes, a nose, and antlers. Make each one unique. Last but not least, we have math. We have used precise measurements to ensure the right balance of chocolate and cocoa mix. Math is like the secret ingredient that makes our hot cocoa bombs perfect. And there you have it, our Run Reindeer hot cocoa bombs. A delicious blend of science, technology, engineering, art, and math. Thanks for joining us on this STEAM-filled culinary adventure.
Remember, I'm the chef, and you can be too. Until next time, stay curious.